Hey loves, today's video is an Amazon eyeshadow palette and brush review. Today I am trying out the Prism Makeup Exotic Eyeshadow Palette along with the Energy 4-piece Essential Eyeshadow Brush Set. I purchased the Prism Makeup Exotic Eyeshadow Palette on Amazon for $6.99. The 15 shadows in this palette are divided into 10 mattes and 5 shimmers. In addition to the Exotic Eyeshadow Palette, I also purchased the Energy 4-piece Essential Eyeshadow Brush Set for $13.99. I am applying Bare directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye using the M110. I am using the M124 to apply Earth to the outer half of my lid. I am applying the LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil in Atomic to the inner half of my lid. I will be using this as a base for the shade Ripe. Now I am placing Ripe over that eyeshadow pencil using the M124. I am highlighting my brow bone with another LA Colors Metal Eye Pencil, this time in the shade Supernova. I am blending out my brow bone highlight using the Colormates eyeshadow brush. I am applying a coat of the Believe Beauty Volumin'eyes mascara. I am wearing the LA Colors 3D Faux Mink Lash in the style Andie. Now with the M111, I am applying Indian Clay to my lower lash line. I am lining my waterline with the Atomic eyeshadow pencil. To complete this eye makeup, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with Soleil using the M125. With amazing pigmentation and a smooth, buttery texture for both the mattes and shimmers, the Prism Makeup Exotic Eyeshadow Palette is an amazing deal for $7. The soft, fluffy bristles and unique handle design of the Energy 4-piece Essential Eyeshadow Brush Set is another quality Amazon find for only $14. Thank you so much for watching. I really like how this eye makeup came out. It is so soft and pretty, and I love the pop of red on the lower lash line. Check the description for all of the products that I used to create this look. Also, I would love it if you leave me a comment down below telling me what you think of this makeup look. And until next time, bye loves!